what if menopause wasn't something fearful? And what if it could become the healthiest, happiest, and most confident chapter of your life? Many women enter perimenopause and menopause feeling confused, exhausted, and overwhelmed. But after helping many hundreds of women navigating this journey, I have discovered that women who thrive have something in common. They build their life on seven important pillars. Today, Dr. Renu sharing these seven pillars of happy, healthy, confident menopause journey, and stay until the end because pillar number 7 is the foundation that holds everything together. Hello, Dr. Renu here, a practicing gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, and pain-free menopause coach and consultant. Menopause is not just about hormones, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your body, mind, and future health. So let's explore the 7 pillars that transform the menopause journey. Pillar number 1, it's awareness. My favorite quote, everybody knows, awareness changes everything, and my company, Team ACE. So understanding what is happening to and understanding this perimenopause and menopause decreases your fear, confidence, and increases that you learn your body and tracking the symptoms and asking that question step by step. So pillar number 2 is a movement. You have heard that motion is lotion because movement helps to improve the energy, improve your mood, and also the sleep. So it strengthens the bone and also supports the weight management. And you don't need that perfect workouts. You simply need a consistent movement, walking, stretching, dancing. So move every day is the motto. The third pillar is muscle health. After 40 age, muscle becomes your superpower. Muscle supports the strength of body. It is energizing. It helps in metabolism. And many women focus only on losing weight. Instead, focus should be on strength, on energy, and to the muscle. The pillar number 4 is about nourishment. Food is again an information for your body, your hormones, muscles, brain, bone depends on the proper nutrition. So focusing on vegetables, a high protein diet, healthy fats, and hydration. So eat to nourish your future self, not just satisfying today's cravings, the creating that processed food. The sixth pillar is about rest and recovery. So we feel exhausted, and rest is a luxury again. Quality sleep is a luxury. However, the hormones, brain function, and mood, energy is created by the rest and the recovery time. And when your body heals with your rest. So the stress management, pillar number 6. Worsening almost every menopause symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, fatigue. These are all the stress management. It's necessary not only as a luxury, the daily habit including the deep breathing, prayer, yoga, meditation, journaling, and walk, the nature walk, and calming our mind. These are the simple methods. The community support is the 7th pillar, very important. We overlook it. And many women suffer silently and they think they tried everything alone. But healing is faster when you are supported, you are guided by your family members, friends, coach, and as a doctor, I know the supportive community connection matters a lot. So remember, you don't have to do this alone. The strongest woman often one who asks for help when they need it. So let's review the 7 pillars: the awareness, movement, muscle health, nourishment, rest and recovery, stress management, and supportive community. These 7 pillars create a strong foundation for a happy, healthy, and confident menopause journey. So, what are you waiting? I would love to hear from you which these pillars needs the most attention in your life,